Welcome back, people. We're here today at this one. This is a bit of a new one for us. Let's take a look in this little outhouse. Tools in here. Oops. Look at that. Wow. Flowers treacle. The old light switch there, as you can see. There's some old cans in here and stuff. And there's Charlie from Abandoned Exploration. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel even. Put my teeth in. Old Hoover. Quick look in here. Old machinery, like an old winch or something there. Let's go to like where the main house is.
Explore, beautiful explore, and look what some fucker has done.
That's Joe there.
Burnt the fucking thing.
There he is. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
Absolutely disgusting. Whoever's done that, I swear down, you don't
An old
deserve
press.
fucking life, scumbag.
Have a mooch rem there.
You don't deserve life, mate. That's absolutely disgusting. That is disgusting, mate. I might start giving locations now because of this. These are the reasons. Look at that. This was on the market. Yeah, there was people looking at buying this house. That is absolutely disgusting. It's fucking burnt. What fucking scumbags? Look, you know what I mean? It's amazing place, mate. You can get in.
Can you?
Yeah.
Do you know what to get in then?
Fucking off. I'm fucking fuming.
Look at it.
There used to be a bike. There used to be like 3 bikes here.
Yeah?
Mate, you've got an up there. It's just all shit.
Right. The old dryer or whatever it is there.
That fucking thing there, mate.
Wow. Mega.
Where's the bike? Right, in every room, have a double, triple look because there's that much stuff.
Will do. Wow. What a mint old gaff. There's like some letter there. I just can't read it because it's faded. Yeah, look at that. Look at the old fires, man. And then we got the photo there. Somebody doing a few sums and writing something there.
There's bank books in there from 1939.
Is there?
Yeah.
Trying to not get the lens cap in the way. Wow. The old curtains. Listen, that's just a window. Look at that old light shade there as well. Wow. Look at that bike. Yeah, and then the stained glass there, that someone's obviously
Tell you what,
potted.
mate, this has been fully trashed.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was amazing before this.
Just have a look in here, then I'll go upstairs. Again. Old fireplaces. Mint. Some sort of little cage there. Look at the old Hoovers. And then we've got some old pictures here. 2 different gentlemen. I think we're going to take a walk upstairs. See what's up there. I mean, look at it. Mega. Wow. That is one big Fukath wardrobe. Got the size of her. She's a big girl.
Crazy left now.
Ain't it just? Tell you what, these are a first size room, aren't they, for like a box room and stuff. High voltage equipment. We're not going to mess around with that. Even got an attic. I might take you up there in a minute. See, they don't build them like this anymore. This was once someone's loving home. The old archways. Old pulley system there. Have a look up in the attic in a minute. Sweet. First size these though, aren't they? Do you know what? It's warm in here, isn't it? This room's warm.
My size room pictures.
Yeah.
There used to be 2 ornaments, 3 ornaments across there.
Bet someone's ragged them off, haven't they? Scumbags. Absolute scumbags.
Here's the dodgy one now.
Oh.
I don't think it's heroin though, I think it was used for medicine.
Yeah.
But on computer. Wow. You've got the old paper newspapers. I missed that. There's a birdcage in most rooms.
Yeah, I saw that tiny little
some
thing.
people nickname it the
birdhouse or something.
Birdcage house, yeah. Ivey house, the birdcage house.
I'm wondering if these pictures are some of the people that lived there or what.
Possibly, man.
You don't know, do you?
Possibly, so.
I like the old fireplaces, me.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, and them tiles.
Some of the stuff in it, absolutely beautiful. Can't believe how trash it's become. Like I say, the birdcage, they've all been built with 3 big dints in it.
Yeah.
Well, go up the loft, don't you?
Yeah, I'm going to have a mooch up there.
Ooh. Watch out, there's something crawling around down there, it's scared the life out of me.
It's not that big up here, to be fair. It's a make a nice bedroom, wouldn't it?
As you can't say it's dead, but it was a beautiful fucking building. This is
Definitely.
like I say, it's just been trashed and trashed and trashed and trashed.
On it. Definitely. Wanna go downstairs now. Amazing building.
Only a single piece of vandalism that I've seen. Friggin' hell, get that out of my eyes.
It's been absolutely trashed since I came.
Is there a cellar?
I think there might be, but
No, it's just under here. That's it.
there will be a cellar somewhere there, I'm pretty sure.
Model engines.
Look, that's where it was. There was a little doggy. Look, there it is. There it is.
Do that. Happy days.
My pet is a rabbit. Like kid.
Right, I'm going to stop recording now. Take a few pictures.
This is my 3rd time,
So guys, we've been round, we've been in. Obviously I'm there with Mad Joe there.
got one barn there, but
Yeah.
if you want to go through prickles, it's up to you, I'm not.
No, I'll leave that one alone.
I shall leave it.
And so we've been inside. Hope you've enjoyed this little tour with Crazy Joe there. An Idiot Explores.
In
Charlie?
disgust mode.
Yeah, Charlie from Abandoned Exploration, as Joe just said, in disgust mode because what people have done to this, it's terrible. Such a beautiful place, yeah. It's ridiculous that here we go, look, 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 look. Wonder what he's pointing at. Let's have a look. No.
Horrible.
Right, we're going to get off here and go to the next location, guys. So until the next one, peace out.